Hi, my name is Liliane Poirier, and today we are going to make a honey mustard grilled salmon. We're really lucky in the Maritimes. It's local product, and I'm going to show you different cuts of salmon. Here you have the salmon steak, which is a very nice piece of fish. This one is 230 grams, so it is a lot more than the Canada's Food Guide recommends. Canada's Food Guide recommends 100 gram per portion. So you cook it, take out the middle bones and the skin, and you have two lovely portions of fish. This is the tail. It's the least expensive, and it's also the one that has the least fat content. This is the pre-portion, and I also find that it's the most expensive piece of fish. Now what we have here is a portion of the salmon fillet. It weighs 600 grams, so it will give me 6 portions of 100 gram each. To make the vinaigrette, you need 3 tablespoons of honey, Atlantic preferably, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, but if you prefer, you can use the grain mustard. Mix that up. Then you add half a cup of olive oil, mix it up well. Add a dash of fresh pepper. Then spread evenly on your salmon. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and put it in the oven for 6 to 10 minutes depending on thickness. While the salmon is cooking, we're going to prep our dill. We're using fresh dill today, but if that is unavailable, you can always use dry. The rule of thumb is to divide by 1/3, so 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, you'll get 1 teaspoon of dry dill. I've taken the salmon out of the oven and it looks beautiful. Look, it's time to eat now. The salmon would be very good with a nice brown rice and warm vegetables. It can also be eaten with this nice spinach salad with red peppers, roasted almonds, sprinkle a little bit of fresh dill, and a nice dash of pepper. And we're ready to eat. Bon appetit. And please don't forget, think healthy, eat healthy. Bye.